attention TV so in some Tvgh with social media so the month and so bedroom lifestyle entertainment and I never some more attention TV so don't subscribe for me like comment and also share you copy on Facebook there follow like comment and also share to be the first to get our videos be the first by pressing on notification bar also for me Mamenka will say your name say Tvgh na memu ha say na papa issues be by ya watch him I just say come here question Tracy but chimba na wa ni na papa no papa ne de ni papa tia Ghana for de woni ko see on so ene John Dramani Mahama ex-president na we ana audio bi aba abontin a wo chire ma chire say Tracy atam phone no e de afre Miss Bell a wo chire ma chire say kam yakoye say Miss Bell nyoma bi a wo ye na say profane words and say profane stories and say nsema enimu a e ba abontin fa Tracy pache ho no eye Miss Bell ana hyase enkomo no omudi ekwa achire ma ewie no kam yakoye say Miss Bell acted like really and then they say mama me pacho nti atem na wo kan na mehu nti are you done I say yes I'm done and work at a call e we say be ko na akoti answer na menka wo say ayakwa university ana asoma na me jimedi e be so mo number and 0548302985 oni ni nkasa na aye dia so pesa wo de boano no bibia into the
see some things before God the man me wo na obi the screenshot ama me maybe can say wo frame me na wo US ma wo frame me wo say wo hu caption bi mistress and I catch you say me can put me a screenshot.
You called me and you were
yes I remember.
You were very upset. You wouldn't listen to anything I have.
And I me catch you call no. Yes, I remember. And I call say me bu na phone anti on funny serious. I remember. Come are you number no screenshot number no. On the Instagram obi you see more than one account yeah na picture be that here. Yes, and be another dear or control papa account no. Me say I have 110 evidence that a woman will control account no, which I can send you on WhatsApp now. I approached him myself. So I say I'm doing a Miss Bell and all these while all you me say now we all supporting no because the capital no the amount. Now I can't natural. And I can't say, me chaso. And I'm saying, no, me chaso. Because I did not Miss Bell, you know. Also, or the Sunday will hear it. So, you want, or me, I'm not between the idea with you. Meanwhile, no message between you and Miss Bell, I want me phone. So, Miss Bell, me the PR bontia. And somehow I did no. And yeah, papa. So, I spoke to my mom right now. And I'm saying, no, Miss Bell is like a big sister to me. Let me call her and let her know what is going on. Because the ethical one is not funny. I have thought about this thing the whole of this morning. So I just decided, say, no, let me call you. You can record and send it to him. Vodafone number, have you asked me how I got a Vodafone number? Because of the messages between the two of you. You want to fuck him. At the end, tell they bro, funky they bro. I have everything on my phone. If you can't try and say, you are doing this. Yeah, I told him straight. Say, I didn't
screenshot of my messages.
Yes. And the phone so. Okay. All my pictures, any of the idea or the man, no, natural cash and I can't have it. So I said, say no. Get away and you make it come. It's not funny.
Mahama, like I chose me managing an account. And
you're not a kind of me, who called me to say, have you checked your Instagram account? Who called me to say, what should I write? Now, see, I feel something by a call text saying someone for say Lodina. Like everything, I have the whole thing. You saw it, come after him. Oh, gosh,
you saw it on his phone.
I saw it myself. I saw it myself. Say, ultra picture. No, they are sending, no, the caption, I can't want myself at home. I don't care. And you must say, let me problem with your mama friend. Oh, yeah. Editing now, what edited the sending of say, and maybe I did sending and say, you see, he's so good in bed, blah, blah, blah. Say, hey, who is doing this to me? If your mommy friend, blogger, because I say, edit me, edit your captions, So before the mommy, who you're not a busan, and when to me denied him, all he said was, you ain't chasso. Now, on one, Emma, and I was like, I don't care, but I don't know, editing in your mother, bro. Or I did tell you, bro, you even want him not to send me a picture on from our answer. And I will send a picture. I'm off on to Facebook on from my answer. I saw all of them, but I didn't hear me problem. The hospital bill now, about 20 million. I can't say so. I have everything. You know, this is evidence on my phone, 100%. I'm not my about 2,000, and I'll say a be a 500, and a be a 200. Into friends coming so. Into manufacturers are. Let's say we have Mr. Miss Bill. About one thing. Yes, it's your number. I usually view the number in the chat, and I will say, you came out to say, or you're one the channel, and I say, oh, hospital bill, but only been about one today, and I saw it on the phone to say, I'll send you 2,000 officer. And I say, oh, outside the country, or about the Bible can one. And I buy my funds 5K, and I'll done a sister on Saturday, kind of 5K, than I say. I say, oh, I have them. So, the reason why I called you, you can tell it to him, and you're my friend. But Miss Rowe, everything, Miss Bill, I don't know what you are going through, yes, sir. I will not blame you. Maybe I cry, my phone said, Mrs. Penny, me to send you. But with the young people, Miss Rowe. Politics na emi ni yakoye ye me ta chome ntimi enye oboni e maybe I will friend me ko tu me say me am very careful with me nkomo bi I'm free with her what to say wakati maka wa asema chwe ni that I don't do that because who come asema and can won friend me nka sa asem ni nchwe me you know me na what me da me ho so I beg you in the name of God you dey manage money ma unya campaign but me Tracy ni editor na o de man on there please. Baby, I would call. Apart from Papa, minimum I will send them all. And what's the phone at time? Miss Bill, meeting your money view. Meeting your be messages me 8080, number 8080. Messages I the money nah. I have it on my drive. Do you understand? I tried to because I mean, I can't be denied, but he didn't deny. So I beg you in the name of God, please. Now you can say one for all according in your sending. I do everything. I beg you.
I don't know where you are taking this, but I think you just want me to know that you have access to his phone, and
it's not even about access to.
You're saying
it's not about whole feeling, I do everything.
Everything.
It's not about whole feeling.
I don't know where it's coming from, and I don't know where it's going, but I get what you are trying to do. But it's fine. Are you done talking?
You see, you are still getting me wrong.
Are you done? Because I'm sitting here minding my whole business. You called to tell me all this. I don't think it's necessary what you see on his phone and what he tells you and what he cannot deny and what I don't think is necessary. It should be between you and him.
Yeah, it's not even about
I don't know what you're talking about. And
it's not even about
anything. If you have a problem and you think it's me, you can sue me because you seem to have it.
Attention TV. So leaked audio Tracy Boakye and Miss Bell and an Attention TV. So that's the Monisha Monity.